Water, the origin of life. Consists of 2 parts, hydrogen, and 1 part, oxygen. Alkaline water is water which contains a larger amount of oxygen as compared to hydrogen. By drinking alkaline water, we obviously increase our intake of oxygen compared to drinking plain water. The advantage of alkaline water is that while being absorbed by the body, it helps neutralize acidic waste, making them more soluble in the blood vessels. Thus, acidic waste will then be easily drained out of the body in the form of urine or sweat. That is why alkaline water is well known as a remedy for many illnesses. Many illnesses may be caused by acidic waste not drained out, accumulating in the major organs of the human body. This is when they start to degenerate their surrounding cells. There are 3 types of illnesses caused mainly by acidic waste. First, osteoporosis, caused by solidified acidic waste in the body. Second, solidified acidic waste that affects joints and organs can result in the raising of cholesterol, kidney ailment, arthritis, and gout. Third, the capillary blood vessel will gradually be clogged up with solidified acidic waste, causing the major organs of a body to be deprived of sufficient quantities of blood and nutrients. This can cause diabetes, kidney ailment, hypotension, cancer, and other diseases. While the normal cells of the human body degenerate and acidic waste accumulates, cancer, one of the major illnesses in the world, will make a generic transformation and keep propagating itself in order to survive in such acidic surroundings. There have been 2 theories on the basic causes of cancer. One is the oxygen deficiency theory by a German biochemist, Dr. Warbach, and the other is the theory of acidic cells by a Japanese doctor, Dr. Airashi. Dr. Warbach insists that if oxygen is removed from a healthy cell, the cell will start to turn cancerous. Dr. Warbach won the Nobel Prize by proving this theory through his many experiments. On the other hand, Dr. Airashi says that alkaline healthy cells are normally rendered inactive in places where acidic waste accumulates. But in certain cases, some cells remain alive, and cancer starts right there. Even though cancer cells are eliminated entirely through an operation, they reoccur because the acidic surrounding still remains after the operation. At the same time, the cells of the human body try to remedy this circumstance by turning them into cancer cells. So, to prevent this situation, we should stop the accumulation of acidic waste by drinking alkaline water every day. When acidic waste accumulates in the pancreas, it can cause diabetes due to lack of insulin in the body, and this deteriorates the functions of the pancreas. Doctors say that symptoms of diabetes appear mainly in people above 40, with no symptoms of diabetes in their 20s. How do they differ from each other? In general, the quantity of accumulated acidic waste after the age of 40 is far more compared to those in their 20s, especially in the pancreas. Nevertheless, we can help overcome diabetes if we flush out the acidic waste from our body during our youth by drinking alkaline water. Many other illnesses can be overcome in the same way. Hypertension is a common illness that occurs due to 2 reasons. One is that hypertension occurs due to clogged capillary vessels caused by physical reasons, or narrowed blood vessels generated by acidic waste. Thus, blood pressure has to be higher naturally in order to supply sufficient quantities of blood through the narrowed vessels. The other reason is because of the lack of oxygen due to chemical reasons, namely solidified acidic waste in the vessels. Hypotension occurs due to the deteriorating function of the heart muscles from the lack of calcium ions caused by acidic waste. A patient with hypotension can regain his health by constantly drinking alkaline water. This is because calcium ions in alkaline water are able to directly restore the heart's activities or stimulate the activities of calcium ions. One of the major functions of alkaline water is also to purify waste in the body. The accumulation of excessive waste in the kidney will cause the occurrence of kidney ailment. When cells survive in an excessive acidic environment, swelling of the kidney occurs. This hampers the normal functions of the kidneys, leading to kidney ailment. In order to ensure the proper functioning of the human body, cells should expel all waste produced by them. But if blood in the vessels becomes acidic, the waste will cling to the walls of the cell, causing solidification of acidic chloride in the kidneys to occur and form kidney stones. Human bones function as a calcium bank in the body. Bones supply all the calcium needs of the body. A combination of calcium and phosphorus, bones stay healthy as long as there is adequate amounts of these two substances. To neutralize excessive quantities of